Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a nice little Yale padlock. It's 50mm aluminium with a stainless steel shackle, and there's one with a little bit of a difference. It's called Yalemate and it's pinned up by AndyH97. We do have a key, if we can get that to, so fairly reasonable bitting on it. And quite a nice keyway, looks very similar to the American keyway. So let's see if we can get into this and see what is put in here. So 6 pins. Start at the back, light tension, and we've got a little click, 6, nothing on 5, 4, 3, 2 or 1. Six, 5, right, a little click off 4, nothing on 3, 2 or 1, right, little click off 6, nothing on 5, 4, tiny little bit of movement on 4, 3, 2, that was me slipping off the pin, and again on 1, little click on 2, little click on 3, 4, nice little click on 5 and a fraction of movement on the core. 6, 5, 4, 3, click on 2, nothing really on 1. That was 3. We've got a very slight full set going, but not an awful lot. 6. Alright, little click on 5. 4, nothing. 3. Right, click on 2, and we've got a fraction of movement on the core, and 1, and we got a bit more, so we've now got a reasonable full set. 6, 5, 4, and we are open. So quite a tricky little pick. Get the vice out of the way, get the key, get a pinning tray, and let's have a look, see what we have inside here. So what do we need? A screwdriver, and out it all comes. And very similar core to an American. very similar clip as well. Right, let's stick a shim in here. This is going to be small pins, and I haven't got a clue what Andy's put in here. That went in quite nicely, and a follower. And there we go, 6 pins, and settle them down a bit. There we go. So I'm probably going to need a pick to get these out. It seems a bit sticky. So we'll start off with 6, 5, serrations on 6, nothing on 5, 4, standard, 3, standard, 2 is serrated, and 1 is serrated. They look like standard pins, or standard commercial pins, and can't see anything modified on the core. No, that all feels normal. So let's have a look, see what we've got upstairs. Right, looking at that there, doesn't look like we've had any modifications to the Bible. So let's start with 1 is serrated, 2 is a spool, 3 is a very nice little T-pin, 4, all sorts of serrations etc. on that one, 5, is like so, and 6 is a standard. So all the springs look standard. If we can get those out. One more, come on. There it is. There's one out of number 6. So let's lift this up and give you a better look at the pins. So some commercial security pins and some homemade, but very nicely made as usual. So there we go, a Yalemate by AndyH97, all done. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.